Hello, welcome to the Quick Palette Maker software application. In this example, we will explain how localization changes the type of files that are used for importing data. The first step is to run the software. We will run Quick Palette Maker on a system that is in English, and the settings are made for the United States. That means that the language itself of the software will be in English, and when working with products, the decimals will be with points or dots, and the comma delimited files will be just like that, delimited by commas. So in this example, we will import a box to make it look like this, separated by dots in the decimal part. Okay, so we will delete this one, and we will load a new one from a file. The file that we will select, okay, is a comma separated file, and we see that it loads correctly. These are 49.9 centimeters in length, 26.4 in width, and 28 in height with a weight of 7.6. We can check this file. We can open it with a notepad. We will see that, in effect, it's separated by commas, and the numbers have decimals separated by dots or points. Okay. We can use this file to calculate a shipment. We're working here with millimeters and kilograms. So we load, we insert a shipment. We look for this one. And we see that here the units have been converted to millimeters. What was 49.9 is now 499 millimeters. We can calculate a shipment, tools, calculate box shipment, and we'll see the result. Okay, everything is fine, and everything has been converted. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, but with Italian settings. So in Windows, we can change the settings with your settings with the time and language. We look for language and region. Here we go for Italian. We sign out. We sign back in. We can run Quick Palette Maker again. We see that everything is in Italian. We just look for Quick Palette Maker. And we'll see that the app itself is in Italian. Okay. We go again to the standard cases and windows, and standard cases and palettes, sorry, window. Here, this file that had been deleted, that had been loaded and was in the database, we want to delete it, and we want to load it again. Okay. But the file will be different than the one that we loaded previously. If we look here in Notepad, sorry, we will see that. Let's load the previous one. The one that we're loading is this one. With Notepad. Let's look for the file here. Here. This is the file we just opened. There you go. Okay, so we see now that the file, instead of using commas, is delimited by semicolons. And the decimals within the file, decimals for the units, for the dimensions, sorry, are separated by commas. Because if we use commas on both instances, we would have a problem. So now we were able to load it, and it loaded correctly. Okay, 49.9 centimeters. So if we work with starting from boxes, and let's say we change it to centimeters, okay, we work with a Euro pallet, and insert the shipment, we get the same result, 49.9 centimeters. And when we calculate the shipment, we get the same result we did when we were working with English units. Thank you.